Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Haunted Site is active and you have the required item equipped. Once done, set the scene with low light and a cleared 3-5-meter perimeter to avoid hazards. Put on any stabilizer or dark lenses and switch devices to Do Not Disturb so notifications do not break concentration. Begin with a single, short activation. Press the assigned button and observe the first overlay. This confirms configuration and prevents premature overuse. Next, proceed with a controlled scanning routine. Sweep the site left to right, then front to back in 1 to 2 meter arcs so you cover space without missing zones. As you scan, learn to read visual cues. Blue shimmer indicates passive presence, whereas a red pulse signals potential aggression, so you can choose avoidance or engagement. If overlays cause motion blur or discomfort, immediately lower opacity and slow your scanning pace. Make sure to rest eyes between activations to maintain accuracy and situational awareness. To finish, deactivate Haunted Site and document timestamps and observations so patterns become useful later. Once deactivated, cool down the device and store it in a dry place to protect sensors. If overlays drift or fail to align, recalibrate using a 3-point reference. Pick 3 fixed markers and run the alignment routine. If the app crashes, force quit, clear cache, and restart. If problems persist, gather logs and report the issue. Remember, systematic logging prevents repeated mistakes and speeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.